Guys, I'm sorry for the breaking. So the second one is dribble.com. Just type dribble.com, dribble, dribble.com. Just type it online. You see what I'm saying. So I'm coming. Okay. So and the third one is Instagram. Just type on Instagram. I want you to utilize the power of Instagram. Just type based on the particular stuff you are working on, whether logo or flyer design or business card or ID card. I've done all those stuff with PixelLab before. I'm telling you, I've designed ID card for people. I've designed business card, logo, flyer. Seriously, with PixelLab, and even YouTube thumbnail. I've done it with PixelLab. YouTube thumbnail. Seriously. So just go to Instagram, type this thing on Instagram with the hashtag that particular thing that you're looking for, that particular inspiration. You see it popping up for you, and you'll be able to see ideas on how people have been working on, and you come up with your own good idea about it as well. So, and the third one, the fourth one is an online post like Instagram, WhatsApp. Seriously, and Facebook. When you are scrolling on Facebook or you're checking status on WhatsApp, utilize that opportunity to, even if you don't have any project to work on, just save or screenshot that particular design that you like. Oh, this is a good one. Try to screenshot it to your phone. Seriously, the time is coming that you will need that kind of inspiration. Seriously. And the last one, which is the fifth one, is the billboard or poster or flyer that you see around that people are sharing, or you are just moving around, you see one big billboard somewhere else, or signboard or anything. Seriously, look at it, look at the design, look at how they design things there. Why I say like this? This thing, as you are checking those things, you tend to know that this thing is not meant to be like this. Seriously, and you know the kind of people or kind of designer that actually work on that kind of project, whether it's a junior designer or it's a senior designer. That's how to get inspiration. You go to Behance, Dribble, Instagram, online posts like WhatsApp and billboard or poster around you. So you get inspiration, full inspiration on how to come up with good idea. And the third one, the last part under psychology of design is that be looking at download how to download resources that you need to kickstart your projects. Whatever the project, since you've gotten the inspiration, then how will you go about downloading resources that you need a fine high quality picture? Share get you need fonts, abi. Then how you need icon as well, like WhatsApp icon, Instagram icon, LinkedIn icon, Twitter icon, Snapchat icon. Seriously, you need those things to make your design beautiful. Then how will you get those things? I've just named those websites as well. We have freepik.com, free freepik.com, freepik.com. You can download picture there, you can download images, icon, photos. We have Pixabay, Pixabay, Pixabay. So, and as well, we have on splash.com, it's pixabay.com. So, and we have on splash.com, on Splash, like unsplash.com. So we can download your image and icon in those places. And let me show you another of my design. I'm sorry. I think let me show you this. Which one? Let me just click on this. So, so we can okay, under the download resources, we know how to download. You have no website to download icon, images, and picture. So how do I download fonts? You need font as well. If you don't want to use the fonts on PixelLab, you can try and download fonts to PixelLab. I'm telling you, you can download font to PixelLab. So how do you download it? I'll just list like 3 websites to download fonts. We have dafont.com, we have fontsquare.com, we have fontspace.com. Just search for those things online, you see them. Type them, just type out like website to download fonts. You see them popping up for you, they release them for you. That's but the best three that I use that they're font square and fontspace.com. Then I have a bonus here before we learn how to install fonts to PixelLab. So I have a bonus. Now you downloaded something. Let's say you downloaded a particular image or icon and you're trying to look for ways to remove the background. Seriously, it is very easy. Just go to remove.bg, remove, remove remove.bg, bg, remove.bg. Seriously, just a click, upload it, and you will see it. Everything will remove. And there's a way you can remove on PixelLab as well. Yes, I will show you that over time. So before we finish the class, I will show you that. And then how will you install phone to your system? I mean to your phone, then, and use it on PixelLab. So let's try and do that. I'm thinking of using Crimson typeface. It has a lot of fonts. Crimson typeface. Oh, sorry, this is Facebook. I was doing something there before. Sorry, Crimson. So okay, I already typed something like related to that before. So Crimson the font. So let me just go to the fontsfree.io. You can see it's serif. You can see it's serif fonts. It has so coming on. So you can see this. You can see the final part that it has this thing. It has another face. So just click on download. It must have TTF or OTI. That's font. So just check. Just go down. Just Crimson test zip is zip. So and before after you download on your system, I mean on your phone rather, there's an app you use. I forgot to mention that there's an app you use to integrate it with PixelLab. You've downloaded the font now, but before you download the font, I'm sorry, yeah, there's an app that you need to download. It is called Said Archiver. Look at it down, Said Archiver. This green, the last app down, Said Archiver. Just click on it. When you download it from Play Store, it's free. Download from Play Store. Then just search for what you download, Crimson. It will be there. Just search for it. You see now, it's there already. This is zip file. It's there already. Just need to compress it. Compress. Final font. Why? Okay. I think I've downloaded. Oh, I've downloaded it before. I'm sorry. But it has been successfully created. So just go back. Just go back. No, sorry. Just come to this icon, the last icon, that's the icon. Sort by. Click on sort by dates. Just go down. Crimson is there. You see now, I've downloaded it before. Crimson 30. That's 7 said. And this, you see, can see the one inside brackets. This is the new one that I just downloaded. So just extract it. Click on that green. Archive successfully decompressed. Now go to PixelLab. It is that simple. Go to PixelLab. Go to PixelLab. Let's say you want to just work on this particular new test. I want to change the test. Just go to letter A. Then go to font. Go to my font. You can see Lufga. You can see the typeface. You can see the font under it. So that's that. Then come to these two under recent. You can see recent. I'm not clicking recent though. The two stuff under the recent. Just click on the one with T. This one. Then look for Crimson. What you just downloaded. Okay, go to fonts. You see it. You can see Crimson text. You can see that one is selected. If I select it, it will be 0. So Crimson text. So that's how you look for it here. It has been selected already. It has been selected. It's usually selected by itself sometimes. So, and the one that you not select, you just have to select it by yourself. So 15 selected. Since I click on one, I think yes, I click on one, everything selected. Add selected. So just type under this search for Crimson. You can see everything. Let's use this textbook. It is changed. You see now it has changed. So that's how you get font to your phone. So I was rushing not to like let the video be long because of the data to download it. And I want us to manage our data. So we'll be stopping this style psychology of design here. I'll be moving to the next stage of our class. Thanks for staying around.